Somebody stole my wrenches again. You stole my 2 rags there I saw too.
Huh?
You stealing my orange rag. Look at that cleanness of that thing. Damn. You should bring over clean rags next time you bring the rags.
Well, next time.
You didn't have your Phillips.
I need a little screwdriver. Right?
You didn't bring your screwdriver with you, did you? Have to borrow mine. You in high gear? Move around a little bit so I can see your exhaust is going up. You in gear now?
Yep.
I gotta stop. Should be getting close. Try this. We're on the front, not the rear.
Right now.
We're on the front.
Still down there.
Push it forward.
Comes up quick.
Yes, it does. Did you go past it yet?
Right there, perfect.
Perfect. Pull the clutch in, back up a little bit. Okay. Check it. Check it again. Did it move? Doesn't have to be perfect. Just close.
Going down.
I think your push rod's moving. Do that again.
Go.
Push. You're an overlap.
One more time.
You're 1 turn off, sir. Pull the clutch in back all the way up. Okay, now push it forward a foot or 2. Well, up, slow down. And take this one down.
Comes up. Top down right there.
Okay, pull the clutch in, back up again. It's close enough. Go forward a little bit. No, whatever, you're fine.
Forward a little bit.
You're fine. Still there?
Nope.
Okay, move it up a
My
little bit.
clutch might be dragging a little bit.
It doesn't take much pressure when you're at top dead center on that
Okay.
cylinder. Okay, put the kickstand out. Okay, good. All right. They should be loose now. Hey Joe, these are loose now.
Okay, both of them.
They both moved. Yep.
You take them off.
I'm gonna take them off.
I break them loose without stripping the
I'm not letting you use my tools.
special tools.
You already got, look at, you got oil all over it already.
I'll wipe them off right now. Oh, I get the camera working again.
I'm gonna injure myself.
I don't know how I did that, to tell you the truth. How the blue oil got on there especially.
That was special blue oil. In case you're walking too much, you try this out.
Okay. Anybody complain last night?
No, I didn't post it until about an hour and a half ago.
Oh.
Did your phone go off like crazy?
Just a second. What are you doing?
Drop him down. It's gonna keep him down here anymore. Okay, you done screwing around?
Yeah.
Did you lose your tranny?
Right there behind you. I'll get it in a minute.
More how to do this?
Yeah, yes.
How do we do it?
Take the front one off first. Light up.
It's on. No, it's off. Off. On. So, 3 flats was no good. 6 flats was no good. So we're going to say no flats.
So what, you want to try it first? I thought we were going to put new lifters in, the other lifters in it.
Oh, you want to put the lifters in here?
I would like to, yeah.
Oh.
It might be over
you
and
mean
done
put
with.
the new old lifters back in?
Yes.
That works a lot better since somebody crushed it
Got blue on it again.
in the press. I don't know where that blue's coming from. It's almost like there's something blue laying around somewhere.
Go for that finger shot again.
So I'm holding it out with my finger.
Still see your fingers going 100 miles an hour.
Now when you're shooting video, when I'm working on stuff, you're pointing down here and you should be like up here where I can actually see what I'm doing.
Oh, where you can see what you're doing?
Well, on the video, because people are trying to watch the video and
Yeah, but I was getting your finger action going there.
not on this, but on other things.
Oh.
Like when I'm pulling these out, your picture will be like from here to here instead of up here looking at the whole picture.
Oh, okay.
You're looking watching like maybe 20% of the video, so it's hard to get a relationship when you're only looking at this. You don't know exactly where you're at.
Right.
So you need to get better relationship coverage. Same thing happens when you get too close.
Well, yeah. See, you don't want me to put the
Are you smoking pot? I can smell it.
No, not me.
Oh, wouldn't you?
No.
Somebody is.
I quit that. Last time I did that stuff, I thought I was on LSD. It got me so wasted.
Probably were.
The guy swore up and down it wasn't laced with anything, but
That's right.
it ruined me. I was up to like El Mirage, man. I'm glad I had GPS. I would have never made it home.
This one does not want to work.
That's the tight one. Get it this time.
I am.
Yeah.
They use that as a stop. So
My exhaust pipe.
I use the exhaust pipe as a tool.
Don't scratch the chrome. I'm just kidding. It's that fancy chrome that Harley does on these things.
Yeah. So anyway, S&S is sending us a brand new set of lifters because they don't know why the others don't work. So
I'm almost I've almost lost faith in S&S.
So I think what we're going to do is we're going to use the cranes, and they're probably going to work just fine now.
I think so too.
And we're going to take that cash that's laying on my table over there and just do something else with it, like put it in your pocket.
Okay.
Because I got a new set of lifters coming.
Yeah, good. If the cranes will work fine, I'm all for it. I've really
Well, we
lost
only had the one that was giving us headache. We just couldn't tell where it was.
Yeah, I could have looked a little harder for it, like with a stethoscope or something.
Pretty sure I know where it came from.
You want all the junk in it?
That'd be my guess. Oh, where's the little quarter dog ratchet?
That's your extensions.
I got the extension. There's the ratchet's underneath the other bike. Somebody was working on 2 bikes last night.
2 videos going. Let's get all the brakes done on that thing. They all bled, right?
No, I've been working on this pile of crap, or a custom Harley.
Are you referring to my motorcycle as a pile of crap?
It is an FXR. It's not like it's anything valuable or anything.
The more I read about the barrels on these things, the more I want to get some Axtel barrels for it.
What? You're listening to me?
There's a thing from Truett and Osborne I was reading last night, saying how fucked up the barrels are, and how messed up these barrels are.
Yeah.
But they don't stay around where the dam, you know.
Yeah, well. You know what the best aluminum barrel cylinder out there is?
No.
883 Sports.
Really?
Yeah, they're like a 1/2 inch thick. They're basically an iron cylinder with aluminum fins.
The actual piston, I mean the bore is
The cylinders are probably a 1/2 inch iron
Wow.
thick. They're thick. They're thicker than anything.
What's the piston size?
Those bores are always round, true, and straight. I don't know why.
Yeah, all that steel in there. Huh?
Yeah.
What's the bore on them, diameter wise?
3 inch.
3 inch.
Yeah, you go from 3 inch to 3.5 inch when you bore it. That's a 1/4 inch wall.
You still got a 1/4 inch of meat on there, huh?
1/4 inch wall comes out.
That's a lot of bore.
And they still got like another 1/8 inch at least in there.
Yeah.
So they're a good solid 3/8 inch thickness, if not a little extra.
Are the holes all the same, everything as these ones?
They bolt right on, yeah.
Yeah. So I could de-stroke this thing a little bit?
You have to de-stroke it because that'd be de-boring it too, because they're a lot shorter than these.
Oh, they are?
Yeah. These are a stroker motor compared to Sportster.
So you'd have to get new flywheels and stuff to use them?
That's some big stroker ones. Thing not coming out of there. That one's coming out. Now these you go the other way around. You put big twin cylinders on Sportsters with big strokes and long rods. Put the long rods in there. You put all the stock rods and shit in there like in the big toy bike. The cylinders grow.
They have a new class for world record though, land speed record.
Nope, same
small
class.
bore. No, small bore.
No, it's the same class. They all go by cubic inches, not by.
If we put the small bore cylinders on here with a D-stroke crank.
Doesn't matter. You run the 1200.
so it'd be 1340?
No, you run in the 80-inch class, which is actually 82 inches, I think, is the limit. And then the next class down is 61, which is 1,000.
61 is the next one down?
So everything, all your normal Harley motors run in the 80-inch class.
Yeah.
On the Evo.
Normal ones.
On the Evo still. The 83 Sports would run against South 1600 here.
Sports crankshaft wouldn't work in one of these things, would it?
So we can't outrun the stupid Evo bike with our gas motor, but we kick its ass on fuel. It ain't even a comparison on fuel. We make them bad. Okay. This is front, right?
Yeah.
Rear. Ew, who put these in there?
Let me clean those real quick for you.
Clean what?
The lifter blocks. So that we don't have a hard time keeping them in there. No. Absolutely no.
Well, I got spaced out there for a minute, what you say?
Last night we were struggling keeping the things in there, on the rear one especially, wasn't
That
it?
was on the rear, not the front one. Got this half-breed blue oil in here. So even after you do an oil change, you still got blue oil in there.
For about 5 oil changes probably. Or more than that.
It clings in the system.
How are we doing on gaskets? Should we replace those or no?
Oh, I forgot about that. Yeah,
They both got a little tore up.
probably won't hurt to redo them.
Yeah.
Alright, let me go get some gaskets. Alright, so you clean all the junk out of there.
Yeah. That one O-ring's got a nice gash out of it.
You know that piece right there that's missing?
Mm-hmm.
You don't think that'd make it leak any, do you?
I wonder where it went.
Well, I guarantee where it went. Went into the cam cover.
Yeah. Yes, we got 2 O-rings for the top.
It's going to be down there somewhere.
Yeah.
And then it's going to go through the oil pump. And then it's going to go up in the oil filter and cut you over there.
So I got a new oil filter today.
So I don't know where the O-ring is at. You see the O-ring down in there now?
No.
Did you look?
No, a little bit. A lot of oil in there.
Yeah, but is there anything that looks like an O-ring down in there?
No, nothing I can see.
A chunky O-ring.
No. Be sure, yeah.
See if you can look out and find it. Otherwise, it's going to be going through the oil pump.
And it's deep in there too. Just gotta go through the oil pump before we get to the filter, huh?
It has to go through the pump to get out of the motor.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it in there. Not feeling it or nothing.
Yeah.
It could have went all the way through already.
Could be. You're already for a while, so. All right. So you want to put new O-rings in it?
At least one.
So you want to put new O-rings on top and new ones on the bottom?
I'll replace all of them, yeah, might as well.
Or do you want to do this?
Gaskets.
Here's a new gasket to you.
That's the one I took off.
Oh. It looks new.
I'll pay you for it.
It looks new. Well, I did that gasket order about an hour and a half on the phone with him this morning.
Huh?
Probably $1,000 the gaskets I ordered.
Today?
So I'm gonna charge you $500 each, so I got enough money to pay my bills.
All right.
Does that sound fair?
Yeah.
But I'll give you the O-rings for free.
Good deal.
Get you that military discount out there. I'll give it to you for free.
Military discount?
Yeah. I'm gonna put it in the blog.
That's that one, huh?
Okay, you're in charge of this thing.
Again?
Yeah, you know how to use that thing?
I do. Not real good, but I'm getting better.
I'm trying to figure out how you got that thing in there all screwed up.
I'm not confident that I did that one wrong.
We're going to use
Those are fat ones? The red ones?
Fordster O-rings because they're silicone material.
Okay.
Because they're for high heat applications.
High heat?
Yeah, Sportsters run a lot hotter than big ones. So they have a different material. Same O-ring, 2 different part numbers.
Yeah.
These cost 4 times more than the other ones, 3 times. Probably think they're about 4 times more money.
Is that right?
They are very pricey. But I sell me the same price. No, I got the wrong damn O-rings.
They're not the fat ones, right?
I got the
Oh.
quad seal.
That's for what, the bottom?
Quad seal.
Where does that go?
I like quad seals, but the problem is on an Evo, they tend to want to dig into the thing here, roll over the edge and not seal.
Oh.
On a shovel, they fit perfect.
And the lifter block.
But the tube is too big or something. It doesn't want to go in. So I quit using them trying to use them on the Evo.
Okay.
They just don't work. Even though I got hundreds of them, I use the O-rings.
Those are supposed to go on the Evo? Those are that type?
Well, they make both quad and Evo.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go upstairs and get the O-ring. I thought that was an O-ring package, but
Wrong one.
wrong one.